Hello everyone, and welcome back to Infinity Car Zone. Today is a special day as we unveil something truly groundbreaking from Tesla. I'm Elon Musk, and at Tesla, we're thrilled to introduce
bringing you the latest in CEO Tesla Elon Musk innovation. Today, we're thrilled to introduce our revolutionary line of Elon Musk reveals 3 new Tesla car models. This isn't just an upgrade, it's a leap forward in technology and design that we're excited to share with you. Let's dive into our lineup, starting with our flagship model, the part of our Pro series. This beauty isn't just sleek, it's packed with features designed to elevate your experience. From its high-performance engine to its ergonomic design tailored for comfort and efficiency, the is set to redefine industry standards. And at an affordable price point, it's accessible without compromising on quality. Moving on to our entry-level option that doesn't skimp on performance. Perfect for those looking to upgrade without breaking the bank. The boasts intuitive features that make it a standout in its class. Its robust build and modern aesthetics make it a versatile choice for any enthusiast. Last but not least, we have the designed for those who demand the best of both worlds, performance and style. With its sleek, aerodynamic design and cutting-edge technology, the is engineered to deliver an unparalleled driving experience. Whether you're navigating city streets or exploring off-road terrain, the ensures you do it in style. Throughout this video, you'll see these products in action. We've captured close-up shots to showcase their innovative features and lifestyle moments that highlight how seamlessly they integrate into everyday life. From urban settings to rugged landscapes, our products are designed to accompany you on every adventure. Our new line of Elon Musk reveals 3 new Tesla car models isn't just about pushing boundaries. It's about enriching your lifestyle. By choosing Tesla CEO, you're not only investing in quality and performance, but also in the future of innovation. We're proud to lead the charge in redefining what's possible in this industry. To learn more about these game-changing products, visit our website or follow us on social media. And as a special thank you for watching today, we're offering an exclusive discount for early adopters. Don't miss out on your chance to experience the future. Thank you for joining us on this journey of innovation and discovery. Stay tuned for more exciting updates from Elon Musk reveals 3 new Tesla car models. Together, let's drive towards a future where every ride is an adventure.